Welcome. If you wanna use split screen on your XIAOMI Mi Note 10, for the first click here on this button, and as you can see there is on the left upper corner option named split screen, so click on it, and right now we can press on the application that we want to use. So I will go for the settings, so click, hold and drag, and now we can open the second application from one of the following, but we can also click outside to open the other application, so maybe go for the Google Chrome. And as you can see, there is how to really easy turn on the split screen, and with this switcher you can also adjust the size of application in this mode. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.